Play Hungry Circle.
Oh, let's see. Can I press this button? I can fly. Woohoo! Hey, can you turn that down? Can you pause it for a bit? Once on, play a Hungry Circle, I can fly. Can you just pause it? Oh, sorry. Pause it!
Donnie, it's about time you paused it.
Well, look. Watch. Look at this. Jesus. I can fly.
Really? That's the worst game.
You can't even unlock the zombie shirt. Yes, I could. It's easy.
How?
It's easy.
I'm hitting it.
We can knock it off.
Yeah, you know what? You better turn that down, or else I smack you in the butt.
Gold rush on to fly. Go. All the way there. No. Does this keep you there? Okay.
No wonder he doesn't listen to me. Lay down and relax. Can you turn it off now? Turn it off now.
No.
Turn it off, or else I beat you up.
I'm not gonna turn it off.
That's it. That's it. I'm gonna beat you up. Yeah.
Full short.
You listen up. You're gonna get beat up. Turn that phone off.
Remember, I'm big guy. I can't get it.
That's it. I hate you. Good luck on your own.
Whatever. Woohoo! Yeah. Oh, okay. Was that a helicopter? I just saw one. Come on, you. Eat that guy.
Okay, they're all butts. Oh, damn. Well then. That is the sound. Godly.
Let's see the helicopter. No! Oh, he's one. It's live. I'm stuck! Help me! Oh no.
Time to destroy.